Okay guys, I'm gonna have a quick little video here. I'm gonna show that the little red build-off project is actually complete per the build-off rules, but I'm not done with it. So this is just a video to mark it complete. So it could be guaranteed maybe into the vote later in the year. But here's a walk around showing the rules. All right, guys, I'm going to read off these rules for completion. It's number 7 on the build-off rule set. I'll post them on my face as I look down and read them to you. Starts with a switch or a pull start. It operates, meaning you can start, you can run it like you're supposed to. Moves under its own power. Equipped with a remote operable throttle, meaning you can't touch the throttle or the governor to throttle it, of course. You need to have either a throttle lever or a foot throttle. Or you could have a hand throttle or a thumb throttle. Just don't be touching the engine. Equipped with a kill switch that can be operated without the operator touching the engine. I will say that there is one exception to this, is one of those little flip tabs that grounds out the spark plug. I will allow for those because the smaller engines like the 5-horse and 3-horse, depending on its age, may have one of those, and that's okay. But otherwise, you either need a tether kill or some kind of a flip the switch and it kills it. All right. Equipment with an installed or functional braking system. You don't want to be running off and running into things. You need to be able to stop. Equipped with an installed and functional steering system. Got to be able to turn corners. Can't go in a straight line. I guess if you're running a dragster, but even yet, you still need to turn some. But anyway, I'm going to go over these rules with a little red. And let's get to it. All right, guys, I'm going to record this next segment to show that it's not edited. I'm going to show all the rules. I'm going to skip around a little bit, but I will cover all of them. So first of all, it starts with a switch or a pull start. Operable throttle. All right, now I'm going to show that it is equipped with a kill switch. I've actually got 2. My battery's a little dead. Yeah. Put a jump pack on here. There we go. Still filming. I was expecting that. All right, let's start her up again. Now, there's my tether kill. So now I have covered starts with a key switch, or starts with a switch or a pull start. It operates. It's equipped with a remote operable throttle. It is equipped with a kill switch. Let's see, we got braking system, steering, and it can move under its own power. Let me move this out of the way so I don't lose it and run it over. I'll set that behind me. All right. I think my jump start's turned off. There we go. I'm gonna set this off to the side. And I got fingers in the camera. All right. Oh, it turned itself off. There we go, it's on. Plenty of juice, as you can see down there, 14 volts. Start her up. All right. Moves under its own power. I'm gonna zoom out. Now it's gonna steer. Now I'm going to brake. And there's covering of all the rules. As I mentioned, this is not my final video on the build. I'll continue building on it, probably through the summer, adding some different things that I'd like to try to do. But like I didn't show off that it has lights and different things. I will do the actual full reveal video later this year, but this is just a video to show that it is complete per rules of the all-terrain lawn tractor forum build-off.